Hello and Namaste. I am Rajat Chandra Sharma, an Amazon best-selling author and a retired power engineer with 36 years of professional experience. But this channel is not about my CV. It is about something else. Something softer, more personal, more human, and it is about everything that came in between. The pauses, the quiet reflections, the unspoken mistakes, the small wins no one noticed, and the stories, the ones that stayed long after the lights went off and the noise died down. For most of my life, I was building projects, building systems, building teams, and building trust. But somewhere in that process, I also began building a habit of noticing, a habit of listening, not just to people, but to the moments, to silences, to what lies between the lines. Stories started following me, not big, dramatic ones, but small, honest, and grounded ones. Stories that whispered and not screamed. Stories that did not go viral, but stayed with me. Now I am at an age in life where I want to slow down, where I do not want to impress anyone, but to express simply, honestly, and from my heart. That is why this space exists. This channel, Converse with a Smile. There is no music behind my words, no lights above my face, and no edits, no noises. Just you, me, and stories that matters. Sometimes I will speak of my home, the countries that I visited. Other time about the people I met in passing, or of a walk through a distant street somewhere else. There is no fixed agenda or plan, just raw thoughts, just reflections, just a conversation that feels real. In a world that constantly rushing, scrolling, performing, this is a small rebellion, a wish to connect, to pause, to feel, and to speak, not loudly, but truly. Because maybe somewhere, someone, maybe you, have been longing for a corner like this, a space that feels like home, where you are not being sold to, not being judged, just being heard. If so, then maybe this channel is for you. So thank you for being here. You could be anywhere, but you are here. I am so grateful. Let's begin. Let's talk. Let's converse with a smile. Thank you.